Alright, another episode of Jason is bored in his truck. Sitting in Montana today, watching it snow, watching the people come in and out of the truck stop, soaking wet. I'm nice and dry. But I have nothing better to do, so I figured I would torture you guys. Now there's a guitar in the corner. I used to have a song. I would hold it while it played me. I would sing along a happy song about a girl loving me like I loved her too. But the strings no longer ring, and things are not the way they were. Now when I need a song, mine goes back where I belong. When I'm not here and the future's not clear, and the past is just a smoke ring in the air, and that guitar in the corner waits there by the wall, standing guard and thinking a new song might come to call and free us from this minor key we both been living in. We'll go back to where it was and play some songs again. Now when I need a song, my mind goes back where I belong. When I'm not here, the future's not clear, and the past is just a smoke ring in the air, and that guitar in the corner waits there by the wall, standing guard and thinking a new song might come to call and free us from this minor key we've both been living in. And we'll pick up where we left off and play some songs again. There's a guitar in the corner. I used to have a song. I would hold it while it played me, and I would sing along. Well, there you have it. It wasn't perfect. We all know that. But best I could do on short notice. See you next time.